Hello guys and welcome back to Unbox News. We try to bring you the most crazy technology and in the most funny way. And the most crazy way. Uh, you know what, Twinny, I understand why the flamingo sat up on the table like summer is coming.
Yeah.
But I do
True.
not understand why the unicorn...
The unicorn?
Don't! Why you dance?
Slow down. This is my unicorn.
And what about the inflatable armband?
Oh, this is because summer is blowing up. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Blowing.
We are not stupid. We got it. Now, can you explain? Don't explain the hat, but can you explain the tag on the towel? Yeah.
Oh.
Gonna have removed it. Anyway, apologize for this, guys. If you haven't watched my Satechi headphones unboxing, the link is above this weirdo hat guy. Anyway, before you click the link, I brought you the Satechi aluminum headphone stand in gold color. Let's leave the Twinny enjoy the dancing and the toys, and we just have to unbox the Satechi aluminum stand. Let's go! First, you have this manual. I don't think you really need the manual. It's so easy. Anyway, wow. So this one is the gold and it's available in 3 colors: the space gray, the gold, and the silver. I have chosen the gold because my office is gold. Anyway, so this is the base with the Satechi logo and the 3 USB port right here, and you have here the jack inputs 3.5 millimeter, and in the back you have a fourth USB that is connected to your desktop, and this is to put the stand, and in the back a nice rubber so it can do not slide on the desktop. This is so nice material, and you have a nice edge. Then the stand, this is the stand. So you have again a rubber on the top for your headphones, so it doesn't affect or destroy your headphones and doesn't slide, so it doesn't fall. And in the back you have the cable, let's say arrangement, so you can, if you have headphones with the cables, and you can keep it clean on the desk. Alright? And the USB cable to connect it to your desktop. So this is exactly what you have in the box. So let's assemble. It's so easy. You have again in the back right here, and you just put where the hole is and just put it in. And even when you put it, I don't know if you hear the sound, it's aluminium, and the quality and the design is magnifique. Beautiful. Magnifique. Beautiful. Magnifique. Beautiful.
Hey, stop it! What are you?
First time you stop me. Good, you're awake from what you're doing here. Anyway,
yeah, I am sometimes.
So guys, you just put it in like this. You put it on the side, right here, and you hear a click. Small click. I don't know if you heard it. Anyway, and that's it. And then you take the USB. So simple. You plug it in the back. And it's a USB 3.0, so it's very fast. And then here in the front, you have those 3 USB, and the Satechi on the website, they say it's not to charge any phone or any power bank or anything. It just is like a device that you use to plug USB or hard drive or SSDs, so you can easily access your hubs, USB hubs. Simple design, clean, sophisticated, so nice. Anyway, now Twinny, would you like to give me the headphones so we can put them here so
These
they can
headphones?
see?
No.
Oh, you're so kind.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you. Can I take this one?
This on the tape? No. Never.
Why am I asking you? I can take them.
No.
Oh. Right, angry unicorn. Anyway, but I have backup. Let's say.
How did you do
Yeah,
it?
this is the magic of montage. Anyway, so this is a gaming headphones. Look at this. Look at it. Like, like, like this is crazy. This is amazing. This is so clean, and this is like, I have no word. You're seeing it. So you have the USB connected. You have your headphones, and you're good to go. And it's all clean in one simple place. So for you guys, I will put the link down in the description if you want to buy, get, and more of the Satechi brand product. You have a lot of and different product they're selling. I advise you go to their website and you will be amazed. Again, this product is not cheap. I don't mean like the cheap. No, the price is low. It's $35 for this kind of product. The only negative thing about this product, I wish and I hope the Satechi brand, they will put a wireless charger on here, right here on the top of the base, so you can charge your phone. Maybe they will do it, maybe not, but this is an option. And if you like this option of the stand to be wireless charger, just comment down below so the Satechi brand will see it and they will do it for you for sure. Anyways, if you liked and enjoyed this product and you have any comment, maybe you can tell me what stand you're using for your headphones or anything else on your desktop, nice and clean design, just comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I think it's time for you to subscribe, because next week we will bring you a nice touch of technology. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you next week. Peace.